Hi, I'm Brian Bach. I'm one of the owners of Bach SteamStar. I'm a 30-year veteran in the upholstery cleaning and protection industry. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner. And today we're on location here. We have some brand new upholstery at this client's house that don't look anything like the picture behind me. So I don't know where we are today. But just got here yesterday. In fact, this stuff is so new. Can you see the tags back there? Brand new upholstery. And that's my point of the video. Many people know that we can apply fabric protector to stuff that we were at your house and cleaned. But did you know we can actually come out and protect new upholstery as well? And you might be surprised that we can do it for a lot less than at the point of sale where they kind of gotcha. And we can put a much better fabric protector, in my opinion, on. Okay, fabric protectors are a little bit different, and most upholstery does not come with a fabric protector applied, almost none, unlike carpet. But these products, number one, we're using a water-based product, not a solvent-based one. So a lot of the most popular brands are still solvent-based today. So there's nasty chlorinated dry solvents in there. So they're not very environmentally friendly. And I certainly wouldn't want to do that inside someone's home. The polymers are different in fabric protectors. They have to bend and move around a fabric, or they crack and create an edge, and as you get up and sit down, you're taking that fabric protector off there. So they've redesigned these polymers through the years, and they're much more pliable, so we get much longer lasting. Our product actually has a dye stabilizer in there that will help, so we can do this on natural fabrics, we can do this on naturally dyed fabrics as well. So it's real easy. It doesn't take a lot. We do not need to clean new furniture. We can put it on, right after wet cleaning, because it is water-based anyway, so water will not impede it. So I have here today, it's real simple. We show up at your house. We have a sprayer, and a professional electric sprayer, so we can get this down really fine and really even. And then we take a horsehair brush and we groom it in. The other nice thing about doing it at your house is it actually gets done. Who knows what happens in the back room, and do they apply these things? I've seen people with a little garden sprayer spraying these on in back rooms. It takes certain fan tips and certain pressures to put these on correctly per the manufacturer's recommendations. So I'm just going to do a cushion here real quick, show you how easy it is. And then we take a horsehair brush and you just groom it in. So we get good, even penetration. This will last a lot longer, make your fabrics last a lot longer. They'll be resistant to oil, dry soil, and water-based spills. So hope that helps. And if you need us to protect some new upholstery, just call the office. We'd love to meet you.